Hey guys, it's Dim, and today we're going to be reacting to Sound Every 2000 Kids Remember. I was a 2000s kid, so let's see how much I remember. Oh my gosh, everyone knows this sound. Windows XP. Yes. My school had Windows XP for a long time, even when it went... Oh, actually, I still have my Nintendo DS. Nokia's! Yes! This is so nostalgic! Yes! Before the movie would play. Yes, the PlayStation 2 sound when you would boot it. I still have a PlayStation 2 and I still play with it. Oh, I thought they were gonna do more sounds from the PlayStation 2. Was this the original Xbox? Yep. These are wow. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, these sounds. The Wii menu. Actually, oh. I've never played Animal Crossing before. Is this the frog in the, yep. Windows 7. Oh my gosh, these sounds. Those sounds are so nostalgic. Oh my gosh. If you're a 2000s kid, you should know every single one of these sounds. I really miss the Nokia sound, actually. And I love the Walt Disney, the sound. I mean, they upgraded it, actually, because now they have like a whole graphic 3D thing. It looks really cool. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So, bye!